what's going on, guys? It's TK Game here, coming at y'all with another My League rebuild. And today I'm going to be rebuilding the Philadelphia 76ers. Last time I did the Milwaukee Bucks, and they were a little easy, so I'm going to try and give myself a little challenge. Okay, so if you remember from the last video, you should already know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do the same thing and be right back. Okay, guys, and I'm back, and I've already done all the trades I need to. And I'm just going to let y'all go through them all. The biggest one I would say is this one right here, change a little Okafor, or doing this one, get the Kings first round pick. But I also got the Hornets first round pick. So yeah, and the starting rotation is this. And I will see y'all at the end of season number 1. Okay, guys, so we actually did make the playoffs. We went 44-38. And I'm just going to let y'all see who won what. Okay, and here are all the NBA teams. Okay, and for good luck, simulate playoffs. And we lost first round. Okay, who's gonna win? My vote is gonna be Cavs, and it's Rockets. I'll see y'all at the draft. Okay, guys, so it looks like we got the 5th and the 9th pick with the 18th pick, and that's it. So if we wanted to, we could trade these picks for someone really good. What could we get? No. 3rd pick and now Horford. Actually, might do that so I can trade Horford to the Warriors. Yeah, can do that. Now Horford, Warriors. Give me like Patrick McCaw. Let's go. And now we have the 3rd pick. What can we get for these 2 picks right here? Miles Plumlee. I'm gonna do that and probably trade him to the Warriors if we can. So someone making $5 million. Holding wins. No, so let's go to another team like the Cavaliers. I'm gonna do some trades and then I'll be to the draft. Okay, guys, so I just did some trades and I think I just pulled off a blockbuster. If you see in the bottom who has the 15th pick, you can probably guess who I traded for. I got, Paul George. Yeah, that's crazy. Now I need to trade Ben Simmons for like something, because I don't need him anymore. Ben Simmons for the 2nd pick. 3rd. Ooh, you're not interested. I'll give you a Suns next year, and let's go. So now we have the 3rd pick. So now let's fast forward. Dennis Smith Jr. So I can either get Markelle Fultz or Lonzo Ball. I'm probably gonna get Markelle Fultz. What are the trade offers? Don Maker. Malik Monk. Dude. Okay. I also saw Draymond Green, but I think I'm gonna go with Markelle Fultz. Yeah. Who has better potential? Oh, question mark? Question mark? I'm gonna go with Markelle. And then send him to next season's pick if we have any.
With the third pick in the NBA draft, the Philadelphia 76ers select the 20-year-old point guard from the University of Washington.
And then I'm gonna look at the draft summary. Lonzo Ball went next. He always goes to the Magic. Yeah. I think that's pretty good. Team player options. Did Embiid accept? Yes, he did. Okay, so now what do we have? My free agents. Okay. And, okay, we can work with this because we have $64 million in cap. Okay. I don't know how the Warriors are offering him a contract. Yeah, I don't think anyone's going to want to come here, especially point guard. I'm going to get Rajon Rondo. No, he regresses. Patty Mills and TJ McConnell. Yep. 2 shooting guards. I'm probably going to take Tim Hardaway Jr. Okay. And how much does Corver want? Oh, he wants minimum. Okay. And now we need 2 small forwards. Robert, no. Davo Cephalosha. And Tony Snell. Oh. Okay. I'll get Vince Carter. Power forwards, we need 2 of them. I wish I could get Blake Griffin. Hey, we're the second best one. Okay, Paul Millsap. Ooh, we could actually probably get him. Player. Okay, so we're the best one there. And wait, he's making like 30. How much does he want? 21. So I'm actually get Serge Ibaka and then Holmes to back him up. And then I need 2 centers. So I'm gonna get JaVale McGee and Murray Spates. No, I'm not gonna get Millsap. Oh, Durant's still there. Okay, Baca, Carter. Durant goes to the Clippers. Paul goes to the Clippers. Griffin goes to the Clippers. That's going to be a dynasty. So Tim Hardaway Jr., Rashawn Holmes, Patty Mills, JaVale. Wait, is Rashawn Holmes power forward? Yes, he is. Two. Oh, if I were to sign everyone, TJ McConnell, 1 point guard. Yeah, we should be good. Okay, so Felicia goes to the Warriors. So I'm gonna need another. Dang, be $3 million off. Okay. So what do I have now? One, two. We're just a small forward off, so let's assign him. If he'll sign, okay. Now we have $2 million left in cap, so that's pretty good. Our starting rotation is going to be Markelle Fultz, Tim Hardaway Jr., Paul George, Serge Ibaka, and Joel Embiid. I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to see y'all. Well, actually, no, play progression. Okay, so Embiid goes up. McGee went down. Okay, so pretty good. People dropped off a few, but we can live with that. And then training camps, and then after training camps, I'm gonna simulate to the end of season 2. This video will probably go up on Sunday. Well, is it ever gonna load? Hopefully it's gonna load. 2K? Okay. So now let's go to training camps. And untap potential to Markelle Fultz. Perimeter shooting. Well, I guess big man defense for Embiid. Yeah, that'll help him be an elite defender. And what else do we need that I can think of? I guess I can add more of a jump shot to Tim Hardaway Jr. I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna see y'all at the end of season number 2. Okay, guys, and I'm back. We had a 46 and 36 record. We did okay this year, and I'm letting y'all see the who won what. Okay, Lonzo Ball makes the All-NBA first team. Dang, and I passed on him. Well, he probably wouldn't have made it if he was on the team. Hey, there's Markelle. Markelle Fultz is pretty good, actually. Yeah, because Lonzo played 38 minutes, he played 32. Okay. And now simulate playoffs because it's good luck. Knock on wood. And we get past the... No, we don't! We choked the 3-1 lead. No. And the Cavs win the championship. Dang. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all. Well, should I do the draft? I'll skip every draft. I'll see y'all at the end. No, I'll see y'all at free agency. Okay, guys, and this is what I did after free agency. We're like negative 20 million in cap space. But I think this is the team that can win it all. I mean, You have Joel Embiid and two pretty good backup centers, Serge Ibaka and a young talent. You have Paul George and two decent guys behind him. Tim Hardaway Jr., who is a lights-out shooter with a defensive guy backing up him, and a young guy that has plenty of talent backed up by two pretty good ball players. And I'm going to see y'all at the end of Season 3 after player progression. Okay, Paul George went down 1. Markelle Fultz is up 2. Okay. So, what am I gonna do? Training camps. Okay. I guess I can do perimeter shooting for Markelle Fultz. Big man defense. Or perimeter defense for Tim Hardaway Jr. and big man defense for Joel Embiid. Yeah. Oh, I did it for Paul George. Dang it. Oh, I messed up. Okay, I'll see y'all at the end of Season 3. Hopefully we'll win the championship. Okay, guys, we went 48-34. I think we have a real chance at winning this ball game. Or not ball game. The NBA Finals. I'd say ball game. That's so weird. Okay. So, here are your awards. All defensive first team. All defensive second team. Oh, LeBron's hurt, and so is Draymond. How long's Draymond hurt? -6. 2 to 4 weeks, so he'll be back for the finals. Okay. Advance. Okay, it's either win it all or bust. And 1-0. Oh, okay. Oh, he came back from a 3-1 lead. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait, I think I was looking at the wrong one. Yep, I was looking at the wrong one. Timberwolves win the series. Dang it. Well, it was a bust, and I'll see y'all in the next video.